Namaskar and Yokar, I'm Mahima and I welcome you all to the Goa Cashew Fest 2026, where Panjim is buzzing with flavors, tradition and music. तर तुम्ही पाहू शकता माझ्या फाटल्यान कितली गर्दी झाली आसा जस्ट बिकॉज वी हॅव 50+ स्टॉल्स ओवर हियर आणि तुम्ही हांगासर वेगवेगळे काजवाचे पदार्थ सुद्धा ट्राय करूंक गावते. हांगा तुमकां फ्रॉम लायव्ह म्युझिक टू लायव्ह परफॉर्मन्स टू फोटोजेनिक कॉर्नर्स सगळे पळोवपाक गावते. एज अ चेअरमन ऑफ GFDC, सो हाऊ वॉज युअर जर्नी टिल नाव?
I think journey has been challenging, at the same time quite fulfilling, and it was very new for me to be like when I took over as the chairperson, because I was MLA for the first time and chairperson of a corporation for the first time. The department, I had to understand what it is all about, and so when I came to know it's all about Cashew initially. So this idea came that why don't we do something, because I was seeing that the cashew industry, the cashew production and everything was going down, and that's the statistics I'd got. So we thought like how we promote it, and the market prices were low, the farmers what they were getting was low. So this is dedicated to the self-help groups and the farmers who are the backbone of the industry. So the whole thing was because of that. So this year it has been very different, because every year we have launched something new from the first season onwards. Second season we launched our brand Sylvan, because we were doing ecotourism activities. Then the last year we launched our cashew nut product, which you see our stall right here. So we started taking the cashews from our own farmers. We are packaging it and selling it under the brand Sylvan. So we started that last year. We started our ecotourism activities at different sites, different, the waterfalls, Bondla Sanctuary, all that we started in the forest. We had a forest diversity festival recently, where we came out with a book with Asavari Kulkarni, who's the author. Like in a sense, we launched it. We helped her to launch that book, and so it was a great success. The book, it was on the tribal cuisine, promoting the foods of the forest, tribal cuisine. So it's been very fulfilling, challenging, lots of new things to learn. And this year, yesterday we launched the Goan Mardani initiative. We launched our value-added products made from the cashew apple, lonche, jam, salsa, from our honey coffee. So like honey coffee, so new products we launched. Goan Mardani was launched. #Drive Safe Goa, that's our new initiative. So lots of things we launched, so that we use this platform for promotion, so that it reaches thousands of people from diverse fields across India and abroad.
Thank you.
So basically we have created the value add of cashew apple and cashews. Okay, this is the first time we have created the product that nowhere else they are available. So for example, we have done now this is the Mirsang jam. We have used the Goan chili and cashew apple to make a jam. This you can apply it, on your poi, bread, anything. Then similarly, this is the we have done the pickle lonche, okay, and we have done the salsa, which is over. Then this is the Kaju Katli. Now this uniqueness about this is first time in Goa that we are making some product to compete with the national brands. On the top that you will find here, we are using 62% cashew compared to any national product brands, okay, including Amul. So this is our Goan Cashew Katli. Similarly, this is a very new product that we have done, the cashew based cooking paste. So this cooking paste, you can make a sweet, any type of sweet at home, without adulteration. Again, pure Goan cashew. So one gets into it. So idea is, it is called as a spoonful of Goa. So you have Goa right from morning jam to coffee. So we have infused honey in coffee, this is called as Melchino. So Melchino is Goa's answer to cappuccino. So this is all about it.
So tell us about your this brand Kazuche.
So Kazuche is a fun spirit brand that we just launched 1 year back. We are promoting the brand through fun marketing and not same old heritage or same ways that most of the Kenny's are being promoted. If you see social media or Instagram, it's all fun content, everything to do with fun. The colors are so vibrant, so it's very attractive for people when they come here, looking at the card. We also have some entertainment for guests, so when they buy 2 cocktails, they can spin the wheel and get offers like 100 rupees off, 50 rupees off. That keeps us intact with a lot of customers. They come back also.
So can you show us like some products of yours?
So this is our product, and these are the cocktails that we'll be presenting today. And we've got some special cocktails for tomorrow also. So please do come by. You'll have the time. To stall number 12.
माझे नाव दीपा श्रीकांत गावडे पिसुल्ल्या 70च्या नेला आणि कॅशू फेस्टाक येवपाचो म्हजो फर्स्ट टायम. माझे प्रॉडक्ट्स आसा भरलेली तोरां, कापे पणस, मागीर तोराच्यो शिरो, भाजलेल्यो काजी आणि पणसाचे चिप्स, कॅजू ब्रावनी आसा, तशेंच निरो आसा. आणि कालच्यान आमकां बरो रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळो आसा. जे ऑथेंटीक आमी कितें हाडला तें बरो सेल जाल्लेलो आसा. थँक्यू.
So tell us about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Rospina Rodriguez. I'm from South Goa, Kaulesi. So we have a like this self-help group, and our Preeti madam is there. So she gave us like this opportunity, yeah, to come here and get for this and all.
And how's your experience over here?
Experience is very good, and it's nice feeling also. Everything is like freely I can. Everything is like a.
तर हे आशिल्ले कॅशू फेस्ट. तर तुमी पळयलें की वेगवेगळे स्टॉल्स आसा, लायव्ह म्युजीक सुद्दां चालू आसा आणि आमकां आमच्या चॅरमॅना कडेन सुद्दां उलोवपाची एक संद गावली. तर देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी तुमी पळयत रावा गोंयकारपण.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.